guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, my husband will be giving me a makeover.
I'll be doing her hair, makeup, and picking her outfit.
So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching and stay tuned to the end. So let's get started.
Okay, sisters, let's start this off. I'm gonna go with the No Pore Blum.
Okay.
You always want to start off with a good primer. It's known to prime the face, allowing for optimal absorption, as well as moisture for the skin. Just a little bit, you don't want to do too much. So we're gonna go with the Estee Lauder. Moisten my beauty blender. It just allows for a more matte finish. I like to dab it. What you just want to do is blend it out. You want the face to look flawless. Next, we're going to take the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. What I like to do is just, you want to hit the main points of the head. I like to get in between the eyebrows. I like to get underneath the eyes. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take back my beauty blender and just blend that all in. I'm going to go with the shape of the face. You can pat it, you can rub it. You can smear it, it works too. Some people like to contour the nose. I like my wife's nose, so I just leave it alone. This is translucent powder.
What kind of brush are you picking?
A kabuki brush. Just get a little bit on there, and you know what I do? Tap. Tap before you put it on. And what I do with this, over the face, this just sets the makeup. It's translucent, remember that. This just sets in the makeup that we have. Next, I'll be using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. First though, use this side. Here, because listen, this part's a little see-through because you don't want to make it look like a fake eyebrow. That looks bad. Comment down below which one looks better. Contour, contour, contour. Not the nose, as I said, just the face. Okay, so to contour, the type of brush that I use to contour, okay, we're using this one. So contour, you want it to be a little darker than the natural skin tone. You just want to tap off the excess, okay? So the main contour points is going to be the forehead, the jawline, and a little bit on the cheekbone you want to contour. Okay, so we're going to start on the forehead. Just on. Please turn to the light. Okay, that's good. Blush. Use this angled Morphe 1974 3M 64 ABC brush. Do. Tap the excess. And what I like to do on top of there is I like to go in with a Stila highlight. Okay, for the highlight, I like to use this one of the face, so right above that contour. I want this highlight to be, as some may say, poppin'. So bring a little life to the lips. Bring attention to the Cupid's bow.
Let me show you guys.
So next we're going to use NYX eyeliner.
So this is the other eye.
We're going to be using Rimmel Waterproof Eye Definer. Nude. It makes the eyes appear bigger. Next I'm going to go in the L'Oreal Voluminous Base for the eyelashes. We just want to have a base coat. This is just white base coat on the eyelashes. Now we're going to go in with 3 different mascaras.
So here's our mascara.
Going to move on to the eyes. Messed up my eyeliner.
Okay.
Brush. We're gonna start with the base coat for the whole eyelid. We're going for like a smoky eye. So what I like to do is just cover the whole lid. And with this color right here, you want to get a natural mixture.
This is the look so far.
L3964. Next, I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Starfish Liquid Lipstick. What did I do?
So this is the lip.
It's not the lips. Gloss Bomb. Let's finish off, add a little extra life to the look with some bronzer. And I don't know what more I could do. Finish this off with Urban Decay D-Slick. This is just a setting spray. Next, we will move on to hair.
Okay, so he went to go get all the hair stuff. So this is what the look is looking like so far.
I've chosen the Paul Mitchell Pro Tools blow dryer, and I've attached a diffuser. Under the sink, we're gonna need this water bottle. We need some Cantu. We're gonna need some Curl Talk. We're gonna need some heat protectant. We're gonna need some Beach Babe, dry shampoo, a little bit of oil. Okay, now moving on to the hair. I brought here a towel. Put it in its natural state. This is it right now. I think it looks good like this, but apparently it doesn't, so we're gonna fix it. We're gonna start by using this spray bottle full of water, and I'm gonna wet the hair. Okay, what I like to do is I like to brush the hair.
Oh!
Somebody has not. Hair is brushed out and it's wet. What I like to first start by doing is going in with this Shea Moisture Hydrate Repair Multi-Action Leave-In with Mafura and Babool oils made with fair trade ingredients. Restore, prep, and protect extremely dry, brittle hair. And I spray it through the hair. Next, just to add a little spruce up, you know, curls, like, you know, when you go to the beach and your hair gets a little like nicer for the curls. This has basically just salt water. And afterwards, heat protectant. We're gonna be diffusing. You already know that, so need the hair to be protected. Don't want damage from the heat. Heat's not good for the hair. Next, we're gonna be going in with Cantu. Rub it in the hands. And work it in. 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 Curl Talk. For some reason, you lean forward when you do this one. I don't know why. This is mousse. About that much.
Oh goodness.
Here we go. We'll just get this one all through. This is a great mousse. Mousse you want to go through. Okay.
Clearly.
On to step 2, diffusing. On the blow dryer, we're gonna go to a medium heat, high blow setting. We have a diffuser in here, my friends. Okay? Okay. Okay, so now, as you can see, after diffusing, we have some well-defined curls. Dry hair. Okay. Now is go in with a little tiny bit of Argan Oil of Morocco by OGX. This is just to add a little moisture back to the hair. And remember, ends are dead.
Did you get that from my last video?
Work the way back up. So now let's go get some clothes. Okay, let us see. Nice.
Oh, you picked accessories too. Okay, so I'm gonna go throw this on and then we'll see the final look. But so I have my outfit on. This is the look that he picked. Show you the back. Show you everything. Okay, so this is the makeup, the hair, the outfits.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. She dabbles in a little bit of hair makeup too. Not as professional, but you would enjoy it.
All right, bye guys. Thank you again for watching. Have a blessed day.